Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing well. Do you have a bucket like this where you put all the scraps in and all the stuff that didn't work? So if you have, this might be interesting for you. So I'm taking my pieces now and trying out how to position them and how to get most of it into that mold. They are like different shapes and different heights, and yeah, I put as much as possible in there. And if I have all of it in, I will start the next step. I took everything back out and I mixed up some resin in an opaque color, and now I'm pouring my bottom layer in there. With my micro brush, I try to dislocate any bubbles that were stuck in that corner right there of that mold, because it's a 90-degree angle. And yeah, once I finish that, I'm putting in my pieces that I thought that might fit in there. Once I have everything in there, I take the rest of my resin and filling up my mold on top of those pieces, and as you can see, they float. But that's normal. And I would take my little wooden piece here and I'm pressing them down as far as I can and cover them with resin. But the underside will be here, the back side as well, in the next piece that I make with it, because you probably see something in the back of it. So everything is cured now, and I'm taking my piece out of the mold, and as you can see, this is a really big mold, and it takes a lot of resin to yeah, fill it up. So if you want to save some money, just use your old stuff in there. And when I take the mold away, you'll see that the pieces are visible, but this is going to be the back side, so it doesn't matter at all. So you can use that piece as you wish in any kind of way. You can paint it, you can put some stickers on it, or whatever. Your fantasy is your limit. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. This really helps my little channel and I really appreciate your help. So up until next time, bye bye.